Hey, so I'm doing another build this video, and what I am working on is a work table for my garage, and it's kind of it's an entry point into our house, so I need an odd angle on it. Let me show you what I've. So here you can see I have laid out. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Laid out the shelf and the top for the table, and it's more of a workbench. Long, narrow. It's going to be almost 8 feet across, about 2 feet deep, a little over 2 feet deep. The tabletop is, and it took me forever to figure out this angle here versus that angle there for a right triangle that is 20, I want to say 23 inches about 23 or 29, something like that, inches by 2 feet. So it's almost 2 feet by 2 feet. It would have been a lot easier if I just made everything square, like 2 feet, 2 feet wide, but I didn't, because that's not the way I designed it, and I don't know why. But that is the way it is, so I spent like a half a day figuring out those angles, getting those two cut. But essentially, the shelf and the top are going to be very structured, so they'll have 8 cross members between the two of them to provide support for the tabletop and the shelf top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5, 6 legs on all of it. So I've got these 2 structures cut. I've got 4 of my potentially 6 legs cut to length. I've got all of my cross members cut with with pocket holes drilled into them. I've got a sheet of plywood there that I'm going to cut the shelf and the top out of. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'll pop back in once things are a little bit further done, and kind of show you the progress and maybe end result. I don't know how much I'm going to film this one, just because I got to get it done, and I'm trying to get it done while I'm on PTO, so it is what it is. All right.